We started installing our land management demonstration site in October of 2020, so we're a year in. And we have 3 conservation terraces, we have a series of what we call rock berms, and we have some other land management features that function in the same way as the terraces and the rock berms. They just slow down that surface runoff, allow for a bit more infiltration, and they're also designed to help enhance your soil carbon levels. So that's all really interesting, and it all appears to be very important, but now another task associated with this body of work in this demonstration site is for our researchers to spend some time, and perhaps several years, beginning to quantify those benefits. So while we recognize observationally there's a number of things that happen here, and we see this beautiful features that are being put together, and we see all these grasses and trees that are happy and healthy, that's really not enough from the perspective of understanding the effectiveness. It's very important for our research to be conducted so that we can begin to quantify exactly what those benefits are and understand those benefits so that we can kind of optimize this process. And then we can start to look at, if we prove up the effectiveness and we truly quantify it, perhaps we can take what we're doing here and do the same practices elsewhere to have a larger benefit across the region for the system. Part of the value of having a 150-acre research facility or park like this is we, as a research staff, have opportunity to make observations in perpetuity. So we can come here, make our observations anytime we like. We have telemetry on all of our instrumentation out here, so we're recording the data 24/7. And being able to come out and look at the changes in the landscape, observe how the water behaves on the land surface, how the water behaves in Cibolo Creek, all of that's incredibly important to better understanding how the system works. And the better we can understand the system, the better we can ultimately manage that system.